Let's record how to cut a spiral shape. First, select the manual operation interface of the cutting software. Then click on the spiral option. Slide down the menu interface and click Solve Spiral Cutting Run. Cutting speed does not need to change. The pitch needs to be set. Set according to cutting distance. Here we set the distance to 240 millimeters. The rotation angle also needs to be set by us. Enter the rotation angle to be cut. You can enter 720 degrees or 360 degrees. No specific restrictions, set according to needs. For example, 360 degrees and then left or right rotation. Is it to turn left or right? Click to light it and save settings. Generate code. Here we don't have a connected machine, so it cannot be displayed. After generating the code, click Return. Click Forward on the manual interface. Click to start. The machine is ready to run.